Hello there. So I'm in Newport Pagnell in Milton Keynes, and we're going to work on the mirrors, signal, position, speed and look routine on the approach to junctions, left turns, right turns. It's not going to be a massive video, but one of the subscribers says, can I cover this? Can I look at reference points on the approach to make it a little bit easier because they're starting on their lessons. So let's get started. So first, obviously, prepare yourself to move off. So get yourself ready with your pedals, do your 5-point check, and if people are around, let them know. So that's your POM routine: prepare, observations, move off. So when we're approaching anything, it's the mirrors first. So we'll do a right turn to start with. So right turn coming up, mirrors, signal, position, speed and look. So we've got a right turn here, so I'm checking, signalling. I've done that about 8-10 car lengths away then, and I'm second gear. It's nice and clear. I'm already in second gear to start with, and I'm bringing it round, and now I'm not on the gas. And the thing is, on the dash cam, I've put the speed on it, so you can see on the bottom left-hand corner the speed I'm going as I'm approaching, or when I'm turning round on these turns. So you can see what sort of speed I'm doing. So I'm building the speed back up. I'm in third gear, getting to about 25 miles an hour, looking ahead of me. And at the end of the road, I'm going to do a lefty merge. So I'm not using fourth gear. Speed limit in this area is 30 mile an hour maximum speed. I'm doing about 25 at the moment. I'm using third gear. I can see the junction ahead of me, so I'm going to start thinking about it, checking my mirrors now, signalling. So a good 10 car lengths away, slowing down for second gear, about 18 mile an hour, slowing down, checking to me right, left, right. It's definitely clear, a bit open, and I'm doing about 10 mile an hour on the turn. Now, I mentioned it's open there. I can see quite clearly on my left and right on the approach then that there's nothing coming. So I made a decision that I was going to go. I could see clearly, it was easier. I'm back in third gear, doing about 26 miles an hour, 27. Got a silver car. I'm thinking about there could be a hazard beyond it. So I'm looking, checking my right mirror, and I'm going round. And I'm looking beyond these things. So when I'm approaching these turns, I'm giving myself plenty of time to slow down. Now, obviously, if you were doing on a faster road, doing the same sort of thing, you'd kind of plan it a little bit earlier because you need to bring your speed down. So the faster you go, the more time you need to do these things. And it could be that you've got a left turn at the end of the road, and before it's a left turn before it, so you might have to delay your signal, but you'll still check your mirrors before you start slowing down. So that might have to change slightly. Anyway, we've got a left turn coming up again, just past these cars. So I'm checking what's happening behind me already. At this point, just past that car then, and I'm signalling, and I'm slowing down from third down to second. And it's a tight corner, so I'm down to about 10 mile an hour on a bend because I don't want to go around it wide, and I'm out of my seat looking beyond the bend because I can't really see there. So I'm being a bit careful, and I'm not accelerating until I get out of the bend because there could be a car coming into the junction on the opposite direction coming towards me, or it could be a bus there, or there could be parked cars there, all these obstacles and hazards that I'm sure you've talked about with your instructor. I'm back in third gear if anyone's wondering, and I'm doing about 27 miles an hour. I'm going to do a right emerge this time at the end of the road, and the same sort of routine as I approach it. About checking my mirrors now, signalling, same sort of thing, about 10 car lengths away there, and I'm slowing down. Now I'm giving that red van a bit more space then, so I'll slow right down for him because he cut the corner onto the wrong side of the road then. And I'm slowing down to look there, right, left, right. As I slowed down, it went straight back into first. Now, a couple of things happened then. As I approached it, I was planning on slowing down, and as I'm checking, I can see on my left that red postal van, wrong side of the road, dangerous. Don't be doing that, because one day you'll have an accident. And if the police are around and they see you doing that, I'm sure they're going to love pulling you over and lecturing you about the dangers of it. So we're going to do another right turn coming up. So we're checking our mirrors, signalling, a little bit of rain's kicking in. And slowing down, it's going slow, so I'm going to pop it in first. He's far away, so I'm going to carry on going. I'm just going to give way to this car. I'm looking beyond it, checking my right side, doing a lot of turning to get around that then. So a bit of meeting situations. That learner I think is parked up there then, because it's like right next to the curb. I'm just being careful by looking. And this is it, when you're driving around doing your junctions, whether it be left and right turns or emerging, it's just approaching at the right speed and right gear. At the moment I'm in a high gear, but I'm going to slow myself down. I'm going to do a right turn, so I can see it there. So I'm checking my mirrors, signalling, slowing down, and there's a learner on the junction. Now he's going left. I'm looking up the road, and I'm down to second gear, and I'm doing a nice turn now. And I'm sure, yeah, I looked at my speed then, I was doing 10 miles an hour. After a while, you kind of get used to your speeds, but when you're new at this, it's quite hard. Back up the gears, back up the speed. But when you're driving around these places, you just got to remember the routines. Always check your mirrors before you do anything. Start doing your signals left and right. If it's not safe to do your left and right signals because there's a junction or a turn before it, then you might have to delay your signal. So we're going to do a left turn again this time. So we're checking my mirrors now, and I'm signalling, and I'm slowing myself down for my second gear. And I'm off the clutch, just covering it, checking to your right and left, and it's definitely clear. And as I get out of the bend, I'm back on the gas. So as I came on that bend, even though I knew it was clear, I wasn't accelerating hard, otherwise it could be difficult to control the steering and keep in your lane. So it's just a quick one, that one then. So I'm just going to pull over, and if you're new to my channel, by the way, remember to click that subscribe button and follow my weekly uploads on my channel on a Monday morning.